What's going on, guys? Ravi Abuvala, Ravi Money Abuvala, as I am more affectionately known. People think that I bought this for myself, although I do love myself, as I think you should love yourself. I was actually given to that by a client after they made a lot of money from working with me. Shocker. Anyway, if you're watching this video right now, then you have just gotten into the Scaling with Systems 3 Steps to Scaling. This is a course and a module I put together because there's a lot of people that are asking me that don't necessarily want to be, aren't maybe ready for the full program, or don't exactly even know where to start, or just want some more information out there. And a lot of, in my experience, there's not really a location where there's just like, do this, then do this, then do this, and you can have a scalable company. And that's exactly what I aim to do in this course, right? You can get a bunch of stuff online and for free, and this will be, depending on when you're watching this, for free as well. But it's all like scattered all over the place. So my goal for this is to literally have you go through these modules here and be able to know exactly how to scale, when to scale, where to find the best employees to scale, automation tools, elimination, what to eliminate, the exact automation tools we use to automate, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, I give you guys real examples. This isn't like a high-level masterclass where I'm just like talking on the I'm literally showing screen shares and walking you through slide decks and doing videos like this so I can walk you guys through it. So anyway, super excited to have you guys inside of here. That being said, number one, if you don't know anything about me, Ravi Abuvala, I dropped out of law school a little over 2.5 years ago, built a 7-figure advertising agency, and then built a 7-figure business accelerator called Scaling with Systems. A few other companies like a real estate brokerage and a DM company, but those are the two big bangers. And I essentially teach other entrepreneurs, possibly just like you, how to remove themselves from a business and scale it up to 6 figures a year, then 6 figures a month, and then 7 figures a month as well. We've done that for literally hundreds of different people. We have over 83 people doing 6 figures a year. And at the time of watching this, we also have 6 or 7 people doing 7 figures. I honestly forget the number out of the top of my head. But it's pretty exciting stuff, to be honest with you. And I have followed the proven process over and over and over and over again for all of my companies. And that's how we're able to scale that quickly. And then I just give it, a little copy and paste, to my clients. Clients just like this person right here, and even this person right here, and maybe this person right here, and also this person here. And if I look, I'm like this person here, and also this person here, and maybe this person here, and 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 here, and also this person here, and also this person here. My video editor will probably have a good time fixing that up for you guys. Anyway, yeah, I had hundreds of people come through the program, have a lot of success. Little excerpts from this course that you're in right now are from my full program. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about what we offer, what's included inside of it, or if you're eligible to actually apply for it, there's going to be a button in the description of this video. I ask you to just book a time, even if you're just slightly considering it, and speak with one of our scaling specialists, just so you have an idea of what to expect. That being said, that's not what this course is about. This course is to get you ready to scale. I did a master class just like this for a mastermind that I was in, and people implemented just the same stuff that's in this course in their company for free and instantly saw results within 24 hours. So that's what I want for you. I guess I'll see you inside.